Hi guys, how are you? Yesterday and some day before, I was just started few of subjects because I thought that I have vast experience in engineering and science. I started fluid mechanics and heat transfer, so I thought that also I started the thermodynamics because it's equally important for the understanding of fluid mechanics and heat transfer because if you're understanding a system you require the thermodynamics at very basic level and very high level. So heat transfer and fluid mechanics, if you have good knowledge, you also require the thermodynamics. So thermodynamics, it's about the it's thermo and dynamics. When something it's hot and cold, which with temperature is called the thermo part. Dynamics, it's understanding the volume, pressure, velocity, work, force is contained in thermodynamics. So thermodynamics have various use in the thermal system, refrigerator, fridge, AC, washing machine, boiler, heat exchanger, chemical system, energy, engineering, sustainability. So, in various engineering required the in aerospace engineering when you deal with some rocket jets, so his fuel is required the some temperature, some pressure maintenance. So analyze the thermal system. In chemical engineering, when some system is contains some reaction, some mass transfer, so you have to be deal with temperature raising, some pressure, some volume change. So various aspect of science engineering required the thermodynamics. Basically, we have discussed in thermodynamics first the basic thermodynamics, zeroth law, first law, second law, third law, entropy, and then we discuss about the some basic concept of thermodynamics, force, work done, cyclic process, and Maxwell equation. Maxwell equation is little bit higher thermodynamics because you have to be correlate with Gibbs energy with some heat, some like as a some entropy with Gibbs energy. Next, I will discuss about the how the heat transfer is important for thermodynamics. Some basic concept of enthalpy, entropy, internal energy, and Gibbs law. That's higher chemical engineering, thermodynamics, Gibbs law, Gibbs Dam equation, thermodynamics for real process, Raoult's law for real system, and equilibrium constant. Some little bit chemistry will come. So when a process, so when a system, if the system has volume V, if you apply some pressure, temperature, that's in system is contains some mass or some fluid, that's some work done due to when the increasing the temperature. So whatever in the beaker of the system, that's change the molecules, that's change the internal energy. So internally energy change the pressure, then the volume, that's entropy, enthalpy also change. When you're taking real fluid, when you're taking idle fluid is water and air. So if you're talking about the methanol and like as a real fluid, they have show some different aspect of the behavior. So you talking about the Gibbs energy when reaction is proceed. So at equilibrium, what is the minimum energy of the system? I'm talking about the rate constant. So many things I will discuss in this subject. It is very helpful for all students, for JEE, MBBS, undergraduate, 11th, 12th, 10th classes, GATE exam, engineering student, all can understanding the basic concept. So I want to slowly going with say, three subjects: fluid mechanics, heat transfer. I want to talking some mass transfers also. Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is very important. If required some mathematics. So side by side, I also discuss with mathematics. Mathematics only using for requirement because physical system is represented in the mathematical form. I will discuss the matrix, differential equation, partial differential equation, and okay, I will go for separate video of mathematics, whatever required of mathematics. So I want to help those students who can't go coaching and they can use these videos. It's very helpful. Okay, bye.